Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I made my Jack Frost staff for Comic Con in May of 2018. I would just like to say this video is obviously just under a year old now. I completely forgot about it. I planned on making it and uploading it literally in May before Comic Con, but it just didn't work out and I forgot I had the footage. And I also want to point out that some of my footage also got lost. I changed phones, so I don't have the footage of me actually painting the staff. However, I will tell you that the paint that I used for the staff is wall paint from B&Q. So I got 2 pots of tester wall paint that you can get for like £1, and I got it in brown. I believe if I have the picture, then I will insert it in the end of the video, and then I will also show you what the staff look like at Comic Con. And yeah, I really hope you enjoy. The person that you see in the video is also my best friend. She helped me create the staff, so we actually went to B&Q. So the materials that I used in this video I will just quickly talk about, because the whole video is just kind of me making rather than me telling you step by step what to do. So me and my friend, we went to B&Q. I don't know if you have that in different places, just kind of like a hardware store, like to build things. And we got some plastic piping. We originally wanted some sort of like, obviously we're not allowed wood, but we wanted some sort of like paneling, and we thought that we could get it cut there because, you know, it's a workshop basically, but they didn't allow us to have it cut there. So I ended up having to buy like, I think I bought like 2 meters of plastic piping. I also bought a jacksaw which was very expensive, and I also bought some string. It was just kind of like some fibrous string that I used to basically create the texture. And then after that I paper machéed the top of the plastic piping and the string, because obviously wall paint and plastic don't mix, so I paper machéed over the top just to give it that wooden texture. And I also used the hot glue gun to, you know, round some edges off and things like that. So if anything else, you know, pops up during the video, I'm gonna do a little voiceover for you guys. I hope this video is relatively informative. Again, I'm really sorry that I lost the footage, but I really hope that, you know, this is usable. So Comic Con is actually coming up again this May, and we're currently in March, and I haven't started at all. Life has just kind of got a bit in the way. So once I start working on my cosplay, then I will definitely upload more footage of that. So yeah, this footage is almost a year old, as I said, and we were very stressed. So if I look at all pissed off during the video, it's because stress. You know, like Comic Con was like a week away and I hadn't finished anything. So yeah, really hope you enjoy, guys. Okay guys, so what you see us doing here is basically marking up the pole with some Sharpie to basically get the measurements right. We used a lot of reference pictures to do this, and here you see what kind of saw I am using, and here you can see us cutting out the pole with said saw. So for this whole process there was a lot of cutting, a lot of sawing, and a lot of measuring to size. We used a lot of referencing, and here you can see us cutting again. And here you can see us again marking out places of the pole and cutting again. It took a lot of you know, will to do this basically. Yeah, and here's the B&Q story.
We went to B&Q to get our stuff, and we were like, we went to the guy because they do cutting services there. Yeah. And we were like, could you please cut this stuff? Can you please cut this?
Yeah, because they had like the saws and everything doing the machines and shit.
We heard the machine going,
and they normally do it. They normally do it for you.
But he said no.
What is it? He was like,
wood.
And I'm like, this is easy to cut with wood.
It's like the machine is already running.
And then he was kind of like smirking, right? He was kind of like, and then she was like, do you think we can use a sharp kitchen knife, and he just went.
So as you heard, the B&Q story is quite funny, and here is just basically all the parts of the pole almost completely cut, and we basically just put it on the floor, put the pieces together so we could really see what we were doing. And here we were just literally just filing down the pieces of plastic with literally just a nail file, because that's what we had on hand, and using masking tape to tape it all together. It's better to use masking tape because then the paint sticks to it better. And we used again a lot of references for this, which I'm quite surprised that I managed to condense all this down into such a short video, because there's literally hours and hours and hours of footage of us literally just cutting and measuring and referencing the size and standing up and, you know, measuring it against my own body. And here you basically just see me hot gluing and wrapping string around. So I use this to make texture, because what I don't show you in this video is that afterwards I paper mache over the string, and that gives it like a really nice wood grainy effect. And then afterwards I paint it with some wall paint, which I got from B&Q, little tester pots, like £1 each, and it covered the whole staff completely. And then I wrap string around it again, just to give it that little frosty edge that it had. And yeah, and I had added some lights in there as well. So yeah, as you can see, like, I'm just adding like a lot of texture. And then I'm referencing again against my own body. It's just a lot of referencing to your size really, so just measure it out what's right for you. So here you see me and my friend at Comic-Con. I'm really sorry I didn't have all the footage to show you, but that is the staff against me. This is me and my beautiful friend and us at Comic-Con. Amazing photos, obviously. But yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed and you got something from this video. And yeah, good luck guys on your Jack Frost cosplay.